make something a little different. What are we making, Dante?
Risotto.
We're gonna make beet juice risotto. Let's get cooking. And so Dante, people often say, how much rice should you put? 2 handfuls per person. So if you are cooking for 4 people and you need to put 2 handfuls per person, Dante, how many handfuls? 8. Oh my, you're a genius. Not only can you work the camera, but you know how much rice to put in for 4 people. For a risotto, you must use Italian rice. That's either a Vialone Nano, Arborio, or Carnaroli, all Italian rice. And this gets nice and creamy, and it is the only rice you can use for risotto. We're gonna use beet juice, and it's gonna look really cool, Dante, really cool. Nice. So we're just gonna heat it up a little bit.
That looks like blood in your wine.
It looks like blood and my wine. I can tell you it's neither.
It's gonna go in the
Getting
fridge.
the wine in the fridge. Boom. And I'm getting some cream cheese and butter.
Why do you need butter?
Hey, bud, if I tell you everything, you're gonna steal my job.
Butter, check.
Unsalted butter. Okay. Just a little bit of a good knob of butter.
Boom.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add a little bit.
Why are you doing a circle?
I don't know, I just like square. You want me to do a square? I'll do a square.
Do a
How's that?
square.
Okay, do a square. Okay, good. So now what we're gonna do is add a little bit of olive oil as well.
He's using this.
Okay, so a little bit of olive oil. Okay, how's it looking?
Good.
Now we have to toast the risotto. This is just classic standard risotto making. How many handfuls do we need?
8.
You eat like a beast, Dante, so we'll put
I
9.
don't.
That's a compliment, by the way. Okay, we're toasting up the rice. A little bit of wine.
Why wine?
Wine because
Is it his wine?
it's my wine.
No.
Oh my god, that looks so good, Dante.
Yep.
You see that
Yeah.
creaminess? You see, that's part of the risotto now. The risotto's starting. Risotto is about extracting the starches out of the rice.
Now I get it.
Now you get it. Now you know what I'm talking about, right, Beet?
Yep.
Stirring it, and the wine is all evaporated. Now, Dante, here comes the magic. The beet juice. You ready? Ready? That look good?
Yeah, but it's blood. We're gonna eat.
It's not, it's beet juice.
Oh.
Now, often you'll hear you have to make a risotto by using shallots or white onions. I'm actually making this risotto with neither, just olive oil and butter, and that's it, and all the beautiful flavor of the beet juice.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, Dante. Ooh, look at that.
Are you
Ready?
in love with that?
I'm in love. So, you don't want to stir it every 2 seconds. It's just making sure that nothing sticks. And then when the liquid, your broth, vegetable stock, is fully absorbed, or in this case, our beet juice, then you add more. Nice, good work. See? Just a little more. And then what happens once you put it in? What do? You give it a stir.
Gonna stir.
Right. Oh, you give it a stir now. Okay, now, beautiful. Now,
Pour it in.
make sure that you get all the edges. A little bit of salt, bud.
It's like raining salt.
Right, it's raining salt. Hallelujah, it's raining salt. Hallelujah. You're looking at me like I'm crazy. Hey, risottos take about 16 minutes to cook, and it's still nice and firm. So you want it not mushy, not like a papa, you know, mushy like baby food. You want it al dente, okay? So I'm gonna give it a little taste.
How is it?
Dante, e cagazzo. It's really good. Okay. We finish it with something, a little secret. Okay, but you can't tell anyone. We're gonna add a little bit of cream cheese or mascarpone. Either or. I don't have mascarpone because we ran out. So I'm gonna add a little bit of cream cheese, Dante, and then we'll finish it with Parmigiano. But right now, we just wanna give it that silkiness and it kind of acts like butter. It just kind of gives it a nice creamy. Shh, don't tell many people. This is kind of like a trick of the trade. Get in there.
Now the big
Parmigiano
cheese.
Reggiano, Parmigiano Reggiano. Yeah, now it just gives it a little bit of saltiness, some creaminess. Okay, buddy, now we're gonna try it. This is a risotto that never disappoints. How is it?
Good. I love how the beets taste.
How's my cameraman?
Good.
What do you think of it?
It's good.
I really like that.
Yeah?
It's delicious.
Mom approved. Okay.